Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp could not unmute this channel. So guys, if you want to unmute any channel on your WhatsApp and facing this type of issue again and again, as you can see here. So guys, now you will see this type of issue. So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys you need to turn on your Wi-Fi. And guys, if you're using mobile data, then guys you need to turn on your mobile data on your iPhone, because main reason of this problem is internet connection. So guys, after connecting with internet connection you need to go back, and guys the second main reason is network problem. So guys, simply you need to reset your network settings from here. As you can see here, from here you can easily reset your network settings. And guys, third reason is you need to check VPN. So guys, if any kind of VPN is connected, then guys you need to disconnect your VPN on your iPhone. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. As you can see here, now I'm going to unmute any WhatsApp channel. So guys, for example, I am going to unmute this one. So guys, now you can see I am able to easily unmute this channel. So guys, if still not fix your problem after doing these settings, then guys maybe this is a update problem. Simply you need to open your app store, and guys here you need to search WhatsApp. And guys, after searching WhatsApp you need to open your WhatsApp here, and guys you need to update your app easily. And guys, after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to delete your WhatsApp from iPhone, and guys reinstall again. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.